Morning children. So class 8 today we will be starting placing an adverb. We know that an adverb can modify a verb, an adjective and another adverb. An adverb should be placed as near as possible to the word which is modifies. So adverb is basically describing verb, okay? Or it also modifies verb or an adjective. See, here the adverb is totally, almost, actually. I think he is totally blind, which is describing a verb or an adjective. He had got almost to the top of the hill. It is actually the principal who called the police. So here see adverb of manner. First there is adverb of manner. Ill, well, badly, hard, fast, slowly, sincerely, certainly. These are manners, adverbs of manner. The six fought bravely. How the six fought? Who are six? Six are Punjabis, okay? They are called six. The six fought bravely. I am feeling well now. What is the manner here? Well. The boys worked hard. How the boys worked hard? It is describing a verb, okay? Worked is verb and adverb is hard. The child slept soundly. So how the child slept? Slept is a verb, and how the child slept? It's soundly. Now comes adverb of place. Here, there, in, out, inside, far, near, etc., etc. Stand here. Where to stand? Here. Position. Okay. Place. This is adverb. Is adverb of place. So adverb is basically describing verb or modifying a verb or an adjective. Go there. Come in. Looked. He looked up. And now comes adverb of time. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, then, early, later, soon, ago, before, etc. Later, Robin Hood stole the king's crown. When did Robin Hood? What is the time here? Adverb of time? Later. Because it is telling us a time when. Okay. I hurt my knee yesterday. So when he or she hurt his knee, it was yesterday. Time. I have heard this before. That day he arrived late. So these is adverb of time. Now comes order of adverb. How it is ordered, okay? Order of adverb is flexible in English. However, the normal position of adverb is at the end of the sentences in order of a manner, place and time. So order of adverb is always what? Order of adverb is always flexible, okay? But it is the manner, place and time is at the last. See here. He spoke well. Then first comes manner, adverb of manner, then comes adverb of place, then comes adverb of time. He spoke well at the debate this morning. So let's see another one. Adverb of place. In case of verb of movement, so there is an action taking place, the adverb of place come immediately after verb. So whenever there is a movement, the adverb of place comes directly after verb. See here. He walked. I told you what is walked? Verb. Then after verb it is coming na? Adverb of place. Away. Then comes manner. Sadly. He walked away sadly. He went to the station by taxi. Adverb of frequency. Frequency here means the rate of occurrence, okay, of anything, incidence or period. Adverb of frequency should be placed immediately before the main verb. They modify, usually, occasionally. So see is verb, so it is have to come before the verb often. Adverb of frequency always come before the verb, okay? See here number 1. Number 1, see is verb And what is adverb frequency? Adverb of frequency is often. Okay, I have often seen him here. He always helps her. He has sometimes helped me with money. But these adverbs are placed after the verb be. She is always late for school. It is seldom hot in the month. So, but sometimes what happen? Adverb are placed after the verb. Okay, like here. But when there are many adverbs in the sentences, the adverb of time often placed at the very beginning of the sentences. When there is lot of adverb of time is placed at the very beginning. Okay. See here example. Today. So today is the time. So it is placed before manner and place. Today they worked hard in the garden. The more particular expression of time comes before the more general. He was born 6 o'clock on the Christmas morning in the year 1992. So first particular time comes, then general, okay, like year, date. So the more particular the expression, the more particular the sentence, okay, the time comes before. So this is adverb of placing of adverbs. I will give you definition in the exam. Okay, so learn the definition of the adverb from the book.